Gold is about to make a move in the next 48 hours, and if you are not prepared, you'll either miss it or get trapped in. So right now, price is sitting at a level where one breakout can trigger a massive move. And another scary part, most traders are already on the. You take your next trade, watch this carefully. See, if you see this particular trend, what you can see that it is simple but powerful. Gold right now is reacting to two major forces: US dollar movement, interest rate expectation. The dollar has been strengthening, which is why gold is not exploding yet. But momentum is slowing. And whenever this happens, gold prepares for a move. So fundamentally, we are in a tension phase before expansion. Now in this video we'll be explaining you day wise chart, weekly, and for more technical thing I will be explaining you a little bit of monthly chart, as well as how the geopoliticals and Fed interest rate all can affect the price of gold in this particular in the next 48 hours. If you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, the price is trading around $45.62. Okay, there is a clear pattern as formed. These are the 2 points where we have seen our buyers being rejected with increase in the volume. Okay, now if you look at this trend, we can see that there is a clear opposite U pattern as formed. After that, there is an upside. I have clearly mentioned you that when the price keep rising and sustaining above a level of 4800, okay, we can see there can be a further upside movement. Okay, but the price has touched a level of around 48.84 and then it came down. So it was continuously moving down. This is a day wise chart. Understand, on the day wise chart, your SL will be different, your quantity will be different, your risk will be different, your trailing SL will be different. Okay, depend on the charts how you will handle it. Now the price has not sustained a level of around 48.84, but it started going down and moved out of this zone, which is very important you to understand, and more clearly you will see when the price. I'll show you a weekly chart. Looking at this particular chart, if you see this trend, what we can see, it is creating this particular pattern, and chances are very high when the price started going below 4600, which I have clearly mentioned you that 4605 is an important level, and once started going below 4600, a further downfall can be seen. 4600 is an important level. The price is below that level now, but if it keep rising above this level 4605, understand that there is a probability of upside. But if it keep coming down again, we can see there can be a further fall. As of now, we have seen there is a continuous fall. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, it is trying to go narrow. Okay, and this is the trend where we have seen it is trying to form a bullish engulfing, but it didn't sustain that level. Okay, so you have to understand this is the trend it formed and moved out of this zone from this particular level. So that is where we have seen a high of around 4700 and a low around 45.56. Okay, and today it has touched a level of $45.50. If the price keep moving below that level, we will see that it can go further low. Okay, this is what you can see looking at this particular chart. But before I explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, as I've clearly mentioned you that these two levels are very important. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of $45.50, which is support one, and once started going below that level, we can see it can move towards $47, and if the price going below this level, chance of touching 45.29 can be there. And if the price started going below a level of 45.36, chances of going towards 44.836 can be there, and from there a level of 44.21. Okay, understand, a level of around 43 is an important level. From there a bounce back can be seen. That is an important level, understand that. And once the price fall below this level, it can move towards 43.35 to a level of 42.65, then to a level of 42.46. And if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards 41.62, then to a level of 41.01. This is what you can see looking at this particular chart, and then a further downfall can be seen. Trailing your SL is very important by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture downside movement. But if it started rising up that level, we can see it can touch level of 46.06, and from there we can towards $46.59. And if the price going above that level, we can see it can move towards $46.99. Suppose if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching 47, $38 to a level of $47.55, and from there a level of $47.74. If the price rising above this level and goes above level of 48.03, we can see there can be a further rise. Okay, so keep trailing your SL is very important. Now showing you a weekly chart where you will see more of the clarity, because see, you have to understand the trend is going downside till the time the price is moving below 4600. Okay, if you see this particular trend, clarity is very high that the price is below 4605. So chances are very high that the price, if it keep moving down, okay, and touches level 45 46, a bounce back can be seen from this level. But if the price didn't bounce back, we can see it will go directly towards next support, that is coming at a level of around $44.18. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, it will go directly towards 43.85. And if the price fall below that level, a further fall can be seen towards 42.81. And if the price fall below that level, a further downfall can be seen towards 42. Okay, and then there is a probability that it can break this low, because this pattern is supporting downside. But this is the weekly chart. Understand, so your quantity will be different, SL will be different, target will be different. But suppose if the price keep rising above that level and goes over 4605, then we can see it can move towards 4640, then to a level of 4735, and if the price moving on that level, we can see level of 4806, and then a further upside towards 4839, a further high can be seen. Okay, this is what you can see. Why I'm showing all this, because that is very important you to understand how the price of weekly and monthly chart is showing. See, if you look at the monthly chart, we have seen it is forming a bearish engulfing candle which is supporting downside, and the next support directly coming at a level of 43.87. So chances are very high on Thursday we can see that the price can touch 43.87, because we have seen mostly on the Thursday that the price comes down, and if the price fall below the 43.87, we can see the price can go further low towards a level of 42.58. From there it can move towards 41.69, then to a level of 41.05, and then a further fall can be seen. Okay, this is what we can see. So trailing your SL is very important, but if it rising above that level, it will go directly towards 48.95, and then a further upside can be seen towards $52.90. 48.90 is a resistance one, and then to a level of 52.90, which is a resistance. So trailing your SL is important by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture upside movement. Price is moving slowly, low volatility, RSI is neutral, no clear direction, moving average is fluttering and indecisive. So this is a breakout structures. Okay, now if we break, keep moving above a level of 4600, we can see upside, and once started going above 4800, a further high can be seen. But if it keep falling below 4600, we can see chances of touching a level of around 44.19 will be there, then to a level of 43.87 on a monthly chart. Okay, there can be a fake breakout, stop hunt, or emotional trade. So avoid all these trades in order to reduce your profitability. And the next 48 are critical. This is not just a move, this could be the start of bigger trend shift. So don't rush, don't guess, let the market confirm. If you want to catch high probability moves like this, subscribe now for daily analysis. Comment below bullish or bearish in the next 48 hours. Let's see who's actually